businesses that can earn you money daily in African. If you are planning to start a business or to enter into a business, then this video is for you. Just make sure that you follow me step by step from the beginning of this video to the end of this video. Maybe the first point may not help you, but the second point will help you, or the last point will help you. So just take your time and watch this video from the beginning of the video to the end of this video, and then it will help you a lot. If you are not looking for something to do to earn money daily, then you are going to be broke. My point is, why do you spend money every day? Then you have to wait till at the end of the month before you earn money. You cannot become rich by depending only on your salary. You have to earn money daily. That is how the rich become rich, because they earn money daily. So what are these 6 businesses that one can do to earn money daily? The first business on my business list here is food business. Listen to something. Before you start a food business, you need to have 2 things. The first thing that you need to have before you start a food business is to be a good cook. When you know how to prepare delicious foods, people will love to eat from you every day. People will be coming to you to eat from you because people love food that are delicious. So when you know how to prepare delicious food, you will succeed in your business, and you'll also be making a lot of money every blessed day. The second thing that you need to have before you start a food business is to make sure that you get a good location or a busy place. When you get a good location or a busy place and you start your food business, you are going to succeed in your business, and you are also going to be making a lot of what? Money every blessed day, because you also know how to prepare delicious food all over the world. People that are into food business, they make a lot of money every blessed day, because there is money on food business. All right. And then the second business on my business list here is pharmacy business. When you have the capital, you have all the documents, the requirements to start a pharmacy business, you are going to make a lot of money, because there is money on pharmacy business. The only thing for you to make sure that you get a busy place or a good location. When you get a good location or a busy place and you start your pharmacy business, you are going to make a lot of money every blessed day, because every day people fall sick, people consume drugs. So when you start a pharmacy business, you are going to be making a lot of money every blessed day. All right. And then the third business on my business list here is baking bread. When you know how to bake bread, when your bread is quality and people love it, you are going to be making a lot of money, because every blessed day we consume bread. So when your bread is quality and people love it, every blessed day people will be coming to your shop to always buy it from you, and you are also going to be making a lot of money every single day, because there is money on bread business. Or you may be planning to enter into bread business, but you don't know how to bake. You can go to where they produce it, and then you buy it from them. You will come out and be selling. You are still going to be making a lot of money on the bread business, because there is money on bread business. All right. And then the fourth business on my business list here is water factory, pure water factory. When you have the capital to start a pure water factory, you are going to be making a lot of money. Water is life, water is everything. So when you start a pure water factory, you are going to be making a lot of money. Or maybe you may not even have the capital to start pure water factory. You can go to where they produce the water, you will buy it from them, and then you will bring it, and you make sure that you get a busy place. Make sure that you get you get a busy place and add your soft drinks and be selling. you are still going to be making a lot of money on that water business, because there is water, because there is because there is money on water business. All right, so there's fifth business on my business list here is selling food on wholesale, foodstuffs on wholesale. Maybe you sell rice on wholesale, you sell oil on wholesale, you sell a lot of different things on wholesale, because you are giving it as a wholesale price. People will be coming to you to always buy it from you. People will be coming to your shop to be buying it from you, and your business will be moving fast because you are giving it as a wholesale price. A lot of people will be coming to your shop to always buy it from you, and you are going to make a lot of money every blessed day on that wholesale business. Yes, you'll be getting a lot of customers and you'll be making a lot of money every blessed day. So the sixth business on my business list here is washing bay. In African, the roads are very bad. So when you get a good location, you get a busy place, and you start a washing bay, people will love to come and wash from you. The only thing for you to make sure that you employ those that will wash for you and you'll be paying them. You are still going to be making a lot of money every blessed day, because there is money on washing bay business. So when you start a washing bay business, you are going to be making a lot of money, because every blessed day, cars moves from one place to another, from places to places. So you are going to be making a lot of money every single day. So these are the businesses that one can easily do it to earn money daily. Hi, my name is Angie. If today is your first time of seeing this video, you are in the right place. In this page, I always make sure that I impact you with something that if you listen to it and you put it into practice, it will really help you a lot. If you are interested about videos like this, please just subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that anytime if I posted a video like this one, you can be the first person to see it. Help me to like this video and share it to our loved ones so that they can also benefit. I love you all. See you in my next video coming.